Okay, hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I thought I'd jump on this really quick. I'm due to do a podcast with Arusha and Justin over at IBD in about 10 minutes. And then that'll be airing tomorrow. So I hope you'll check that out. It's always fun talking with those guys. I wish they'd have me on more often, but I think it just kind of takes them a while to recover from shock. So anyway, this is one of the stocks I'm going to be talking about, though, and that's Spotify. This is why. So earnings are out of the way. No issue there. My suspicion is this was probably when they were, though I don't know. I don't know for sure. Looks like, yeah, April 23rd. So that would be here. So this thing got a big old pop on earnings. And since that time, it's fallen down into this consolidation level here. Okay. So this is why I like this stock. First of all, it held up. It had this big, massive pop. You never want to buy a stock that goes up like that. They'll virtually always come back. Not always, but most of the time. The odds favor you not buying it and waiting. Well, so maybe the waiting was the hardest part. Tom Petty taught us that, but it looks to me like maybe the waiting part is over. This is why I like this stock. It's got a 97 RS rating on IBD's Market Surge. That means that it's outperforming 97% of all stocks in that universe. It's holding the 50. It's got a nice trend. The pullback here has been on declining volume. Today, we got a nice hold here. Could pull back a little bit more. But this is the thing. This company has been losing their asterisk for years. Haven't been making any money on the earnings front, obviously revenue, but haven't been making any money. Well, that also holds true for 2023, where they lost $3. 2024, though, is kind of a different deal. The estimates are for a $4.92 profit. So that's like about an $8 swing from down 3 to almost up 5. That's a 263% return. And so because of that, I really like the way this stock is setting up, and I would want to be long this stock here. So that's my suggestion. I'm going to go ahead and be putting that in our active trade list. I put a bunch of other stuff there today. So if you're a member, go check that out. If you're not, you need to be. So go make that trade. It's, what is it, like $7 for 14 days. You can handle it. Seriously, you can do that. Okay. Anyway, that's it. That's all I got for you. I got to get to IBD, and I will see you next time.